Alternative sound of OA, OW, O-E. Whenever we heard the sound of O in the middle of the word and in the beginning of the word, we write OA. Whenever we heard the sound of O at the end of the word, we write OW. Now let's read the word. OA. Ba-o-t, boat. Ka-o-l, coal. Ba-o-st, boast. Fa-o-m, foam. L-o-d, load. Ra-o-st, roast. Sa-o-k, soak. Ka-o-t, coat. Fla-o-t, float. Ga-o-l, goal. Ga-o-t, goat. Oak, oak, oats, oats. Now OW words. L, O, low. Sla, O, slow. Sna, O, snow. Bla, O, blow. Sh, O, show. Gra, O, grow. Thra, O, throw. V, I, N, D, O, window. Pillow. Sh, E, D, O, shadow. Yellow. Borrow. Now O-E words. Ba-o-n, bone. Ha-o-m, home. R-o-p, rope. Ha-o-p, hope. J-o-k, joke. Ma-o-l, mole. Ha-o-l, hole. Na-o-t, note. V-o-k, woke. Sta-o-n, stone. Sta-o-l, stole. Dra-ov, drove. Sma-ok, smoke. Thank you for watching.